Hello to all our viewers. I hope you all are in good health. In today's video, we're going to be addressing those who suffer from bones and joints pain. And we're going to talk about the new ingredients that they need to incorporate into their regular meals, which will have a huge impact on the comfort they feel in their joints. I recommend watching the video till the end to get the full information. So, without further ado, let's get started. I've always been one to believe that it's possible for all of us to truly feel our very best at any age or stage of our life. Actually, when I hear people justify feeling sore and stiffness from joints pain as being a normal part of the aging process, it really bothers me. So, in today's video, I'll provide you with a natural remedy that will effectively strengthen your bones and soothe the pain in your joints. You will surely benefit from it if you suffer from this kind of issues. While there are quite a few joint pain recipes out there that can help you supplement your knee compression with good quality nutrition, this particular solution has become increasingly popular over the recent months. If you have an issue with pain in your back, legs, neck or joints, then this could be the recipe you need. Here you have the ingredients. 150 grams of edible gelatin, enough for a month of treatment. Water. On an evening before bed, pour 5 grams of gelatin or 2 flat teaspoons into a 1/4 cup of cold water, taken directly from your fridge. Mix the combination thoroughly and allow it to stand outside of the fridge as you go to sleep. The gelatin should transform into jelly overnight. In the morning, eat the mixture without any food. It's up to you to choose between milk, yogurt, water or juice to help flavor the substance. After only a week of a regular consumption, you will start noticing the beneficial effects of gelatin. It acts as a natural lubricant of the joints, so it will alleviate the pain in the neck, legs, wrists and back. However, repeat it every morning for a month, and the pain will disappear completely. Afterwards, make a 6-month break and repeat it again. The extreme effectiveness of this remedy is due to gelatin, which is a high-quality medicine of natural origin, and it contains potent acids, proline and hydroxyproline, which support the growth and enhance the structure of the connective tissue, which is essential in the treatment of bones and joints pain. The benefits of gelatin. Regardless of whether or not you exercise a lot, eating gelatin can help you keep your joints pain-free and healthy. Moreover, if you have an inflammatory in your joints like osteoporosis or arthritis, moderate gelatin consumption may help you build stronger bones and deal with pain in your joints. Some of the fantastic benefits of this superfood. The ability to strengthen muscle and joints, including heart muscle. Improves metabolism. Improves the overall skin condition. Improves elasticity and strength within ligaments and tendons. Prevents progression of osteoporosis and osteoarthritis. With so many potential advantages to benefit from, it makes sense to give gelatin a try. In the end, we would like to remind you of hitting the like button and the subscribes. And if there is someone you care about, do not forget to share this video with them. Stay healthy.